How to find saved Facebook post. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, locate your Facebook application and then launch it. Now, simply go to the menu bar from your top right corner. In this menu bar, you will find an option of saved just right side of your memory section. Go to the saved. Here you will find several your saved reels, posts, and also your videos and many more. You can also create a collection from your saved items, and also you can organize it with themed collections as well as remove if you do not want any. So all the saved reels, posts and photos will appear in this section. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.